Okay, this is a video that's going to help explain how to answer some of the questions from your Kahoot. It's also going to be used to kind of show you the process of SAS and triangle area. Okay, this is a scenario that allows you to use SAS because it has SAS. It's got a side, it's got an included angle, and it's got a side. And then, of course, some of you are only interested in the correct answer. And I don't know if this is a correct answer, but this is at least an approximately correct answer. This approximately correct answer was derived using the graphing calculator's ability to find areas for you on a TI Inspire. Okay, and a lot of people in the crowd are going to groan because they're not really good at using the TI Inspire, but it's got a lot of potential. All right, so here we go. One of the questions was, how do you find the height? Okay, well, I've written this program so I can not only adjust this, so it does all kinds of things. It lets me change this angle, it lets me change these sides, but it also lets me hide and show answer process. So here we go. All right, well, how do you do this problem? Because some of us are rusty in our, trigonometry. I would suggest that you drop a perpendicular here to this base so you can create a height. And that height would be related to this base. Now, there's no reason why you couldn't have done it over here, but most people, when they look at a triangle, they see the base that's sitting on, and they assume that the base is correct. And if I wanted to write a really long program, I could do it the other way just to show you it works, to prove that there's more than one height in a triangle. But, we're just trying to get the answer related to AB today. All right, so with all fanfare taken care of, you don't know or you've forgotten the SAS triangle area formula, which basically says if you have a side angle side, if you take 1/2 the product of the two sides times the sine of the included angle, you will get the area of the triangle. And the real thing that blows people's minds is now when you do this the acute triangle always makes sense. Everybody seems to get it. I mean, the height's on the inside. Nobody has any issue there. It just seems to work. Okay, so without any more fanfare, I'm going to show you the answer process. Okay, I asked in the Google Forms questions for you to state me the exact answer. In the Kahoot, we just went straight forward. We're trying to find the height, and we only had a decimal approximation. Okay, it has its limitations. So I'm going to hit show here, and look at that. It did all the work for me. Okay, it even showed you how the area could be attained. It even confirmed that this computer magic answer could have been derived approximately using a calculator, and even, approximating gave you a pretty good answer. Okay, for those of us that want to know the exact answer, answer for the height, CD, was 15 times the sine of 49. Okay, that takes the hypotenuse from the so part, and then it basically allows you to find the side opposite. Now, the formula is nice and it's wonderful and it's great, but it kind of hides where it comes from in there. Okay? Really, if all we ever cared about the answer, we know the answer not only to what the approximate height was, we have the exact height, and then we also have the area of the triangle. All right. That's just the answer to triangle 1. That's cool, but that's just the answer to triangle 1. I've written the program so it worked for all triangles. So I'm going to add to this video explanation later on in the Google Forms. Thank you for watching the video.